guys, I want to show you how to make a Chinese chicken soup. So I woke up this morning and I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, and I remember that there is this chicken soup I usually make when I'm maybe sick or cold. The Chinese eat it as a normal meal, and it's highly recommended also for ladies that are seeing their monthly cycle because of the ingredients it contains. So this is a very easy recipe I make mostly when I'm sick. So we have our garlic here, then ginger, carrots, onion, and spring onions also. So this pepper is optional. I'm putting pepper into this because I just love it a bit hot, and then eggs are also optional. Then I'll be using olive oil, salt, and seasoning cubes. So I prefer using chicken breast. So I went to the market, I wasn't able to get chicken breast, so I got chicken laps. So you can use your preferred chicken for this recipe, it will still come out good. I'm going to put a little bit of oil. Okay, so I'm going to put in my chicken and then simmer it. So I will sprinkle some salt on it. Now the chicken is a bit cooked. I'm going to add in some water to cover the chicken. So I'm going to slice my ginger in this chunk. Add in the ginger. For the garlic, I will do the same. So add in the garlic. Then for the onion, I will just chop the onion into 3. Chop the onion into 3 and put the onion. Then I didn't peel the back of the carrots, so just go ahead to chop my carrots in this chunk. Then I'm going to add in the carrots. The spring onion, you don't need to cut it into pieces, just this size is already okay. You add the spring onion, and then like I said, I like adding small flavor to my soup, so I end up putting 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have cooked my eggs already. I'll now add the boiled egg and then add more water to cover. So I'll be using just 1 cube of seasoning cube, none, for this recipe. Then cover to boil. So now I'm going to increase the heat more. No, let me put it at 1000. Then allow it to cook. As the soup is boiling, you need to be removing a kind of oil or debris off from the soup. So it's very, very important you remove them. So I think it's the chicken residue or something. So I don't even have much on my own. So we need to leave the soup to boil for another 10 minutes. So right now my soup is ready. So we are going to be sieving out the vegetables. Let me show you. It's been boiling for over 15 minutes, and the reason I cooked this soup longer than this is to make sure that the bone is well cooked and the chicken is well soft. So usually the chicken is not supposed to be thick. So because this is a soup, we are going to be sieving out the vegetables. So some people can go ahead and start eating it this way, but I prefer sieving out the vegetables. So what you need to do is just to get a sieve and start removing all the vegetables. If you have a bag, you can put all the vegetables inside a bag, dip it inside here and cook it together with the chicken, so you don't have to go through this process of sieving out the vegetables. So but in my case, I don't have any bag, so I put everything together, everything inside the same pot. So this is what you're going to do. You sieve out all the vegetables and then you have only the soup. You have a bigger sieve, you use a bigger sieve for this. Just pour everything out and sieve out the vegetables. So the vegetables are what we are removing. So I will tell you what you can do with this vegetable if you want. If not, you can go ahead and take your chicken soup this way as it's plain. So if you even want, you can blend everything together, like you blend everything and pour it back into the soup, though it will make it a bit thicker, but it's still okay. So it depends on your preference. You know, this is your kitchen, you just have to do as it pleases you. I'm already loving this food. Like, I've been longing for this for, I don't know, like forever, but I never had time to make it because the last time I ate this, I think it was like last year, and it wasn't this method I cooked. Actually, I have different ways I prepare this particular chicken soup, and the one of the ways is this, and there are other ways which it's maybe a bit faster than this, but then today I prefer to make this particular one just for the longing, and also I'm not feeling so well. So this is the chicken soup. This is how the soup comes out after you sieve out the ingredients. So this, you can blend it and use it to make another type of soup, but for now this is the soup we are longing for. So if I want, I can pour this back into the pot, add maybe carrots and spring onion just to garnish it, but I'll be going to be eating this plain like this. So let me dish it out and we have a taste. So this is my plain rice. This is my plain rice, and I'm going to be dishing out some soup for myself. Oh la la, I missed this so much. Wow, I'm having this nostalgic feeling. This is one of the soup I made when I was in China during winter. So this is it. Very delicious and soothing. It tastes so natural. So with the Scotch bonnet pepper I added here, it made it a little bit spicy, yeah, and it's quite good for my throat and for my, I think, for the fever I have too. So this is nice. I can pair it with just white rice. Just like that. Just the way you eat your pepper soup, you know. So this is nice, guys. I will urge you to make this. When you try it, let me know how it's like. I'm sure you are going to enjoy this. Thank you. Bye bye. Let me go and enjoy my food. Oh Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Bye.